Good morning, students. We are going to start with lesson number 8, comparing quantities. You are going to complete all exercises of this lesson in your maths notebook. Hello, students. We are going to start with lesson number 8, comparing quantities. Take out page number 117 in your maths textbook. Let us start. Recalling ratios and percentages. Now already you have learned about ratio and percentage in your previous class. You know that ratio means comparing two quantities. Let us see the first example. Now in a basket there are two types of fruits, that are 20 apples and 5 oranges. Now if you want to find the ratio of number of oranges to the number of apples. So while writing the ratio, just be careful that first number will come in the numerator and the second number will come in the denominator. So the ratio of oranges to apples will be 5:20. So if I write 5 upon 20, then both the numbers are divisible by 5. So I'll get 5 ones are and 5 fours are 20. So I'm going to get 1 upon 4, which I can write as 1:4 in the ratio form. The same data I can compare with the help of percentages. Now let us see. Now if I want to find the percentage of oranges, then number of oranges will come in the numerator, and in denominator the total number of fruits will come, that is 20 apples plus 5 oranges. So it will give me 25. Now as I have to convert into percentage, in denominator I want 100. So for that I will need to multiply 25 with 4. So I will multiply with 4 in numerator and denominator, which will give me 20 upon 100, which is 20%. So same way I can find the percentage of apples. Now sum of percentage of apples and oranges will be 100. So if I put the percentage of oranges here, that is 20, then my percentage of apples will be 100 minus 20, which will give me 80%. Let us discuss example number 1. A picnic is being planned in a school for class 7. Girls are 60% of the total number of students and are 18 in number. The picnic site is 55 km from the school and the transport company is charging at the rate of rupees 12 per kilometer. The total cost of the refreshments will be rupees 4,280. Now some questions are given on the next page. Let us try to solve them. My first question is the ratio of the number of girls to the number of boys in the class. So I have to find the ratio of girls to the boys. Now here I know only the percentage and number of girls, but number of boys I don't know. So for that I need the total number of students. So suppose if I take total number of students as x, and now as I know that 60% of x is girls, so I can write 60% of x is equal to 18. Now 60% I can write 60 upon 100. Of I can replace by multiplication, and x is equal to 18. So for finding the value of x, I need to shift everything on the other side. So 100 will go in the numerator and 60 will come in the denominator. So now I will do the cancellation. 0 0 will get cancelled. Both will go by 2 5s, 2 3s. Similarly these two numbers will go by 3 3 1s, 3 6s. So 6 5s I will get 30. So total number of students is 30. For number of boys, so I can now subtract 18 from 30, which will give me 12. So now total number of boys is 12. Now one alternate method is also given here, that is unitary method, which will also give you the same answer. Now my question is to find the ratio of number of girls to number of boys. Now while writing the ratio, just be careful that the number of girls will come in the numerator and number of boys will come in the denominator. So it is going to be 18:12. So if I do the cancellation, so it both will go by 2. This will be 2 9s, 2 6s. Again both are divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9 and 3 2s are 6. So my answer will be 3 upon 2, which I can write as 3:2. Now my second question is the cost per head if two teachers are also going with the class. Now I have to find here cost, how much will be charged for per person, and I have to add two teachers also. So first, for finding the cost per person, first I am going to find the transportation charge. Now as you know that cost per kilometer it is 12 rupees and distance travelled is 55, but this distance travelled is both the ways. So I will multiply 55 with 2 and with the rate. So it is going to give me 1320. So my total expense, for total expense I have to add transportation plus refreshment charge, which will give me 5600. Now I am going to calculate the number of persons. So number of persons will be 18 girls plus 12 boys plus 2 teachers, which will give me 32 persons. Now I have to find the cost per person. So the total cost I will divide by the number of persons. So if I divide, then I am going to get 175 rupees will be charged from each person. Okay, so my now third question is, if their first stop is at the place 22 km from the school, what percent of the total distance of 55 km is this? What percent of distance is left to be covered? Now if they take stop at 22 km first stop, then I have to find the percent of the total distance. I have to find what percent of total distance did they have travelled at 22 km. So for that, just see on the next page, again two methods are given. We will see the first method. So if I want to find the percent of how much it has bus has travelled at 22 km, so that will come in the numerator and total distance travelled will come in the denominator. For finding the percentage, I am going to multiply with 100 in the numerator and denominator. After doing the cancellation, I am going to get 40%. So at the distance of 22 km, they must have travelled 40%. Similarly, if I want to find, my next question is what percentage is left. So for left, I will have to subtract. So from 100, if I subtract 40%, I am going to get 60% still distance they have to cover. Let us solve the sum given in Try This. In a primary school, the parents were asked about the number of hours they spend per day in helping their children to do homework. There were 90 parents who helped for half hour to 1.5 hours. The distribution of parents according to the time for which they said they helped is given in the adjoining figure. 20% help for more than 1.5 hours per day. 30% help half hour to 1.5 hours. 50% did not help at all. Using this, answer the following. Now here you can see one figure is given to you in which 50% of parents did not help at all. 30% help for half an hour to 1.5 hours. Similarly, 20% help for more than 1.5 hour. So on the basis of this, we are going to answer the question. My first question is, how many parents were surveyed? Now here we have to write the total number of parents who were surveyed. So for that, first I am going to write the detail here. 20% parents helped for 1.5 hours. Similarly, 30% parents helped for half hour to 1.5 hours, and 50% parents did not help at all. Did not help. Now my first question is to find the parents who were surveyed. Total number of parents we have to find. So for that, suppose I take, let total parents be x. Suppose my total number of parents is x. Then for my first question, the detail given to me is that 30% of the parents 30% of the parents help for half hour to 1.5 hour. So for that, if I take 30% of this is 90, then I can write 30% of x is equal to 90. X is the total parent. So 30% of x is 90. So if I want to find the value of x, 30% I can write 30 upon 100 of I can write as multiply, x is equal to 90. So if I shift everything on the other side, so it will be x is equal to 90 multiply by 100 upon 30. Now if I do the cancellation, 0 0 will get cancel. Both will go by 3. Here it will be 3 ones are, here it will be 30. So 30 into 10 will give me 300. So my total parents which were surveyed will be 300. Now if I do my second sum, my second question is how many said that they did not help. Now did not help, that is second did not help percentage is 50. So my 50% of 300 I have to find. So which will be equal to 50 upon 100 multiply by 300. So if I do the cancellation, both zeros will get cancelled. So I will get 5 3s are 15 and one more 0. So that is 150 people, parents did not help to their children. Similarly, my third question is how many said that they help for more than 1.5 hour. Now for more than 1.5 hour, it is 20%. So I have to find 20% of 300. So which will be equal to 20 upon 100 into 300. So again 0 0 will get cancel. So I'll get 2 3s are 6 and one more 0. So that is 60 people, parents help for more than 1.5 hours.